Hello everybody, it's time for us to meet another one of our number puppy friends today. We've met number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and so today is number 5. That's right, number puppy 5. He's a blue puppy. Should we take a little peep under his collar, see what shape he likes? I wonder. Whoa, look at this shape. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. I wonder what it could be called. Maybe we'll find out when we read number puppy 5's story. Let's take a look. Here it is. Number puppy 5. Let's see what he has to say. Here he is. He says, "Hello, I am number puppy 5. We are looking at the number 5, the colour blue, and the pentagon shape. That's what it's called, a pentagon. Wow. Here's Mrs. Dogby and the puppies with number 5 in the front now, with his friends 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's have a look what happens. One afternoon, Mrs. Dogby went out to check on the number puppies when she noticed that puppy number 5 was not in his kennel. Here's puppy 1, puppy 2, puppy 3, puppy 4, but no puppy 5. Where could he be? He may have gone for a little walk. He should be back soon, she said to herself. Mrs. Dogby went into the house and sat down for 5 minutes. She could not stop thinking about where puppy number 5 had got to. Have you noticed Mrs. Dogby's picture? What shape is it? It's right, our new shape, a pentagon. Well done. Mrs. Dogby went outside again to see if puppy number 5 had returned, but there was still no sign of him. She started to get a little worried about where he had got to. "It's nearly 5 o'clock, she said to herself. Mrs. Dogby went to the front gate and called puppy number 5. She called him 5 times. "Puppy number 5, puppy number 5, puppy number 5, puppy number 5, puppy number 5. She looked up and down the street, but there was still no sign of him. Just then, Mrs. Dogby heard a happy little bark. It was puppy number 5. Mrs. Dogby could not believe her eyes. Puppy number 5 had brought home 5 more puppies. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness. Well, she said, if you 5 puppies are going to stay, you will need to have your very own kennels with your very own special numbers painted on the side. Should we look at the puppies? Here they are. Puppy number 6, puppy number 7, puppy number 8, puppy number 9, and puppy number 10. My goodness. So we had 5 puppies and now 5 more. And that means now we have 10 puppies. Wow, what a lot of puppies for Mrs. Dogby to look after. Mrs. Dogby loved the 5 new puppies as soon as she saw them. "I will have to find you somewhere to sleep until Mr. Wood the joiner can make your new kennels," she said. Suddenly, Mrs. Dogby had an idea and went to the garden shed. Can you see the window of the garden shed? That's our special shape. A pentagon. There, said Mrs. Dogby, looking at an old cupboard. That will do just fine. My old pentagon cupboard with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. That's why it's called a pentagon cupboard. The cupboard was quite old and was pointed at the top. It had 2 doors on the front and it was very dusty. I'll give it a little clean, she said. Puppy number 5 and the other puppies had followed Mrs. Dogby into the garden shed. How can all 5 puppies sleep in one cupboard? Puppy number 5 thought. Then Mrs. Dogby opened the cupboard doors and the number puppies were surprised to see that there were 5 drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, with 5 little blankets, you should be snug and warm, she said. It was not long before Mrs. Dogby had settled all the new number puppies down for the night. It had been a very long day, so they all snuggled up and fell fast asleep in their drawers. Maybe next time when we meet the new number puppies, they'll have their new kennels. We'll have to wait and see. Let's have a look what number puppy 5's jobs are for today. First of all, he says, can you look for pentagon shapes all around you? That is a very tricky shape to find. Good luck. I hope if you find some, you'll let me know. What shape was the old cupboard? Do you remember the name? A pentagon. And how many sides did the cupboard have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Just like his bones. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. That was a lovely story Weddy got for now. So it's bye from number puppy 5 and all his new friends, and we'll see you again soon. Bye everyone.